Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Box, Easy English with Julia and Tom, where we help you speak English more naturally and confidently. I'm Julia.
Hi, everyone. I'm Tom. Julia, are you ready to start today's lesson?
I think so. Maybe.
So is that a yes?
I guess.
Great. After the lesson, do you want to get some coffee?
Maybe.
Okay, and what kind of coffee would you like?
I don't know. Maybe a latte, I think.
Julia, you sound like you're asking permission to order your own coffee.
You're right. I don't sound very confident, do I?
Not yet, but by the end of today's lesson, you will.
Today's lesson is all about sounding more confident in English. Many English learners know the right words, but they often use phrases like maybe, I think, just, or I guess so often that they sound less confident than they really are.
The good news is you don't need to learn difficult grammar or thousands of new words. Sometimes changing just one small phrase can completely change how confident you sound.
In today's lesson, you'll learn 5 simple ways to express yourself more clearly and confidently through short, everyday conversations. After each dialogue, we'll explain the key expressions, and then you'll practice speaking with us.
And before we begin, if you enjoy learning English through calm, natural conversations like this, please like this episode and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us keep creating more practical lessons for you.
So get ready to listen, repeat, and start speaking with confidence.
Let's get started. Stop saying maybe.
Julia, do you want to share your idea for the new project?
Maybe we could try a different approach.
That's an interesting idea. Tell us more.
Many English learners use maybe all the time. Sometimes that's perfectly fine, but if you use it before every suggestion, you may sound less confident than you actually are.
Instead of saying, maybe we could, maybe it's better to, maybe we should, try, we could, I suggest, let's. These expressions sound clearer, more direct, and more confident.
Examples. Maybe we should leave now. Let's leave now. Maybe we could ask Sarah. I suggest asking Sarah. Maybe we should start today. We could start today. Maybe it's better to wait until tomorrow. Let's wait until tomorrow.
Repeat after us. Let's leave now. I suggest asking Sarah. We could start today. Let's wait until tomorrow.
Replace I think with stronger expressions. Tom, what do you think of our new logo?
I believe it's much more modern and professional.
I agree. I think our customers will like it too. Many English learners begin every opinion with I think. There's nothing wrong with it, but using the same phrase every time can make your English sound repetitive.
Instead of saying, I think, try, I believe, I'd say, in my opinion. Each expression has a slightly different tone, but they all help you express your ideas more naturally.
Examples. I believe this is the right decision. I'd say this is our best option. In my opinion, this plan will be successful. I believe we should start now.
Repeat after us. I believe this is the right decision. I'd say this is our best option. In my opinion, this plan will be successful. I believe we should start now.
Remove just.
Julia, do you need something?
Hi, Tom. I just wanted to ask if you're free this afternoon.
Of course. What do you need?
Many English learners use just before almost every request. Sometimes that's perfectly natural, but if you overuse it, your requests can sound less confident than you intend.
Instead of saying, I'm just calling about, I just wanted to ask, I'm just checking, try, I'm calling about. I'd like to ask, could you help me with? These expressions are polite, clear, and confident.
Examples. I'm just calling about tomorrow's meeting. I'm calling about tomorrow's meeting. I just wanted to ask a quick question. I'd like to ask a quick question. I'm just checking if you've received my email. Could you let me know if you've received my email? I just wanted to ask about the project timeline. I'd like to ask about the project timeline.
Repeat after us. I'm calling about tomorrow's meeting. I'd like to ask a quick question. Could you help me with this report? I'd like to ask about the project timeline.
Stop apologizing before speaking. Sorry, but I have an idea.
Great. Let's hear it.
Many English learners begin their ideas with sorry, but even when they haven't done anything wrong. Saying sorry all the time can make you sound less confident.
Instead of starting with sorry, but, sorry to interrupt, sorry, I think, try, I'd like to add something. May I suggest another approach? Here's another idea. I'd like to add one more point.
Examples. Sorry, but I have an idea. I'd like to add something. Sorry, but I disagree. May I suggest another approach? Sorry to interrupt, but here's another idea. I'd like to add one more point.
Repeat after us. I'd like to add something. May I suggest another approach? Here's another idea. I'd like to add one more point.
End with confidence.
Julia, which proposal should we choose?
I'd choose the second one. That's my recommendation.
I agree. It has the strongest potential.
Sometimes we start confidently, but then we finish with, I guess, maybe, or I don't know. Those words can weaken an otherwise strong message.
Instead of ending with, I guess, maybe, I don't know, try, that's my recommendation. That's what I'd suggest. That's what I believe. These endings help your ideas sound clear and confident.
Examples. We should launch next month, I guess. We should launch next month. That's my recommendation. I think this is the best option. Maybe. I'd say this is the best option. That's what I'd suggest. This strategy will work. I don't know. I believe this strategy will work. That's what I believe.
Repeat after us. That's my recommendation. That's what I'd suggest. That's what I believe. I'd recommend this approach.
Great job. Now let's practice together.
We'll say the less confident sentence first.
You replace it with a stronger, more confident one before we do. Ready? Let's go.
Maybe we should wait.
Let's wait.
I think this is the best choice.
I believe this is the best choice.
I'm just checking.
I'm checking.
Sorry, but I disagree.
I'd like to offer a different perspective.
I guess that's okay.
That sounds good to me.
Excellent. Every small change makes your English sound a little more confident.
And remember, confidence doesn't come from using bigger words. It comes from choosing clearer, stronger ones. Great job today. Let's quickly review the 5 ways to sound more confident in English.
Instead of saying maybe, try let's or I suggest.
Instead of beginning every opinion with I think, try I believe. I'd say or in my opinion.
Don't overuse the word just. Be polite, but also be direct.
And don't apologize before sharing your ideas if you haven't done anything wrong. Instead of sorry, but try I'd like to add something or may I suggest?
Finally, finish your sentences with confidence. Instead of ending with I guess, maybe, or I don't know, try that's my recommendation or that's what I'd suggest.
Remember, confidence isn't about speaking louder. It's about speaking clearly, and often one small change is all it takes.
Great job today. Now it's your turn to put these ideas into practice.
This week, pay attention to how often you say maybe, I think, just, sorry, I guess. Every time you catch yourself using one of these phrases, stop for a second and ask yourself, can I say this more confidently?
And here's one more tip. Replay this lesson a few times and shadow us. Listen carefully, repeat each sentence aloud, and try to copy our pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. The more you practice, the more naturally confident your English will become.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to English Box, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new lesson.
In our next lesson, we'll learn stop saying very and discover stronger words that will instantly make your English sound more natural.
Just one more thing. If someone asks, how was today's lesson? Don't say, I think it was, maybe, pretty good, I guess.
Say, it was excellent.
Now that sounds confident. Thanks for learning with us.
See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.